everyone. Today we are going to take Civics second chapter, Understanding Secularism. As we know that India is a diverse country. Different religion people are living in India. Therefore, it is known as secular country also. Now, what is secularism? Secularism means every individual have freedom to live with their religious belief. Means nobody can interfere. Though they are living in India, but they have this liberty to follow their own religion. In that, government will not have any kind of interference. Another thing is why it is important to separate the religion from the state. Now, there is important for the separate the religion from the state. Therefore, the majority people. What does it mean, majority and minority? Majority people in the sense like in India, Hindu are in majority and Christians, Jain, they are in minority. So if Hindu community will dominate to the other religious community, that is Christian and Jain, so that will also not happen in the society. Therefore, we have to separate the religion from the state. And if we will not separate, then it will not fulfill India will not be known as the democratic country. Now, what is secularism? Now, here 3 points will be made. Now, one religious community to other. What does it mean to one religious community to other? Suppose one community is there, they will not dominate to the another community. They cannot interfere in the sense of any kind of practices. Every individual is free to practice their own religion. Now, another thing is same religious community. In same religious community, we can say, suppose some rich people are there, they are dominating to the poor people. So that cannot be also happen. Now the state doesn't interfere in any religion, not take away their religious freedom. State in the sense government. Here it means is government. Government cannot interfere in any kind of religious belief. Suppose they are living in Punjab. Punjab is a state, in that the Punjabi believers are there. So they are living in Punjab, and it doesn't mean that all Punjabis are there. There are other community, other caste are there. They are also living in Punjab. So they have freedom to follow that religion. Similarly, state doesn't interfere or state interfere. Now two sentences are there. They are opposite to each other. Now state doesn't interfere, that will follow the democracy, and a secular country cannot do like this. So, and state interfere. Now, in which case in state interfere means government interference will be there in the religious dominance. In that, when untouchability is there. As we know that Hindu community, many other communities are there. In that, still the untouchability is there. On this basis, if discrimination is going on, then government is getting interference. Now, another thing is, like on the behalf of that religion, we cannot tell Sikh people. Like in Sikh religion, the Sikh people are wearing pagri. In that, state cannot tell them to wear an helmet, because they cannot remove the pagri. So religious dominance will not be there. Another thing is, we should not, means government school cannot promote any one religion. And if they are promoting, then it will be not known as the secular country. Similarly, a private school can do this. That depend upon their beliefs. According to that, they are following. Now, we can take the example of Saudi Arabia. There only Islam religion is followed. When Islamic people are there, if other religion people are there, they cannot follow their religion openly. They can follow in their own house or their building, but they cannot have the community gathering regarding that. Another thing is, when we study in class 9th, we will study France. In that we can see that Hitler is there, and Hitler did not allow the other people other than German people. There are two kinds of people, desirable and undesirable. Now, who were the desirable? Desirable the people, those who are pure German people, and undesirable the people who were gypsies, Jews, Poles and all. So, he has the mass killing there in Germany. He did not allow these people to live in country or territory. So, as sum up, we can take that secularism is a term in which government cannot interference in any religious body to follow their religion. They have their freedom to follow the religion. That is all about the secularism. Thank you. Have a nice day.